we have here a big package from Asus, and today we're going to unbox this big heavy luggage. This is called the Asus ROG2 Gamers Luggage, and we have it here, the 10-cent edition. In short, it's for the China market. Of course, it's different from the global one, but basically the accessories are almost the same. Some other YouTubers already unboxed this one, but guess what? We got something they don't have. The 10-cent edition, which is, of course, for the Chinese market, like I told you a while ago. And this is, I tell you, one hell of a package. Tell you why as we unbox it. So I'm as excited as you are right now. Of course, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and right now we're opening the box of the Asus ROG2 Gamers Luggage. Look at it. Look at it. So premium, and of course, like I said, it's the 10-cent edition. Look closely. It's so premium. Even the locks up here are so good. Take a good look at it. Okay, premium locks. You can see the rubber bootings down there are also very nice. So, and right now, we're going to open this up in front of you. So, okay, so I already showed you the overview of this luggage, and it's really nice. So we already opened this one. So, what do we have here? It's, of course, okay, so the phone is not here. The owner already borrowed it, and of course we were fortunate enough just to borrow everything that's left other than the phone. Okay, so this is the unboxing of every single accessories inside this one, and you can see we have here the quick charger, of course, maximum of 30 watts if I'm correct. Okay, yeah, 30 watts charger. This one is their braided USB-C to USB-C cable. This one is their braided USB-C to USB-A cable. This one is the awesome gamepad. As you can see, it's really awesome. All the buttons here, the joystick here, all the navigation button here, different function. Okay, up, down, left, right. Okay, L1, L2, R1, R2. Everybody's here. Okay, there's even some buttons back here. You know how Asus really make it look good. M1 and M2, M3 and M4. Yeah, you really make it work. Really some awesome piece of tech here. Okay, so you can see you can either connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB on top. Okay, you can see it's here. Really awesome. So good. This one is a free case together with the phone itself. It's a limited edition. Only comes with this package. You can see the Republic of Gamers. There you go. Really premium case here. And yeah, here's another case.
Okay, this one is a bit awkward looking, but this is for docking something. As you can see, there's USB type C down here, and of course yeah, I can open this up just like that. Okay, it's probably used for to dock the phone to this one, to this big dock here. Okay, to see everything's here, so complete. Okay, wow, all I can say is wow. Oh, this one is the big one. Okay, let's just open this up, take a quick look at it. All I can say right now is just simply wow. This piece of tech is simply just amazing, more than amazing. Probably I could hardly find any words to describe this awesome piece of tech here. It's just beyond mind-blowing. Can you imagine playing PlayStation just in front of your hands? Look at it, just look at it. There's the dock here. Okay, these are probably air vents. Okay, so on the bottom you have the microphone in, audio jack, HDMI. This, I'm not quite sure what this is, but this is the LAN hub. 4 USB port, 1 charging port here. The USB type C lightning, USB-C reversible USB-C cable. Just awesome. Okay, so yeah, we're down to the last package. This is, don't forget the adapter for USB-C to audio jack. This one is, of course, this ROG inspired pouch, and of course the dual screen gamepad. Look, just look at it. It's so freaking awesome. Okay, so you just need to place your phone here, and yeah, I can play just like this. You have screen here, you have screen here, dual screen, power on button is here, and the docking is here. Just really imagine this awesome piece of tech. God, oh man, wish the phone is here for me to test, but yeah, nevertheless, we're still fortunate enough to borrow it, even for just a while. It's still good. I ain't complaining. Okay, so yep. And that's the whole package from the Asus ROG 2 Gamers Luggage. Okay, so yeah, I hope you did enjoy my unboxing of this awesome package. Probably the biggest I've unboxed so far. And that's it. And I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my next video. So I'll see you pretty soon. Goodbye for now.